Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things food. Today, we're diving into a salad dressing that has become a Southern favorite, beloved for its creamy texture and bold flavor. This is JFG Salad Dressing, Southern classic recipe with paprika and spices. It's a product that stands out not just for its taste, but for the tradition it carries. Let's take a closer look at why this might just be the best Hendrickson salad dressing you've ever tried. JFG salad dressing has a rich and creamy texture that brings a delightful smoothness to every dish. If you're a fan of Southern-style flavor, you'll quickly notice the balance of spices, including a subtle kick of paprika, that gives this dressing its unique edge. It's perfect for your traditional salads but also adds depth to sandwiches, wraps, and even roasted vegetables. Whether you're preparing a casual meal or something more elaborate, this dressing can elevate your dish with minimal effort. What makes this dressing stand out is not just the flavor but its versatility. The Southern classic recipe is crafted to add the perfect amount of zest without overpowering your food. It works wonderfully as a topping for coleslaw, as a dip for crispy fries, or even mixed into potato salad for that extra burst of flavor. The combination of spices, including the paprika, offers a distinct Southern touch that you'll find yourself craving again and again. Now, the 30 ounces jar is perfect for families, gatherings, or anyone who wants to have this dressing on hand for various uses. The bottle size ensures that you can enjoy this rich dressing for a longer time without worrying about running out too quickly. It's a great value for anyone who loves their food with a little extra flavor. Made with high-quality ingredients and without any artificial flavors, JFG salad dressing is all about bringing you that home-style goodness. It's perfect for adding that extra something special to your meals, no matter the occasion. Plus, it's made in Knoxville, Tennessee, so you know it's rooted in Southern tradition. Whether you're new to Southern cuisine or have been enjoying it for years, this dressing will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. If you haven't tried JFG salad dressing yet, now's the time to give it a shot. Its blend of spices, creamy texture, and rich flavor will make it your go-to dressing for all your favorite dishes. And if you've been on the hunt for the best Hendrickson salad dressing, look no further. This dressing is the perfect choice to bring a little Southern comfort to your meals. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more reviews of the products that make your meals even better.